I'm Siobhan from Rotorua, New Zealand.
And I'm Hayley from Auckland, New Zealand.
I watched one of the seminars back in October and just loved what I heard and just totally believed in what he was saying, and jumped on and
Look, I looked at a lot of different options, and then when I saw Alex, I kept watching more and more videos, and then I ended up speaking to Peter actually, and it just seemed like an awesome fit. So I haven't regretted it since.
Look, I've learned lots of valuable information, so I'm just up to the stage where I've got my niche areas and I've got samples coming, so I've learned all about the importance of advertising and photographs and PPC and how to boost sales and do really good ads, and just the information's just absolutely valuable.
Well, I've already got one product up and running at the moment, so at the stage I'm at, this weekend has been awesome for showing me how to generate more sales, and then I'll be moving on to the next level. And in fact, I want to upgrade to platinum, so that's how much I like it.
Totally. Look, I just totally believe, I think Alex and Peter and the whole team are just really genuine, and totally all about all of us achieving. I just feel like they're honest, genuine, reliable people who are there to support me in this journey. Again, absolutely genuine, and there's a lot of fun to be had as well. They're very entertaining, and they just absolutely have your best interest at heart, and they really want to see you succeed.